Good customer service equals customer expectation plus 5%. Bad customer service is customer expectation minus 5%. Step one is find out what your A-class clients, i.e. your best customers, expect. You want to be at a standard where you can get more of what you consider to be your best customers. If you don't know who your best customers are, do the research and find out first. And then you need to deliver what they expect plus 5%. That's good service.
Would you say you should under-promise and over-deliver?
Always.
But then if that's a returning client, you set the expectation for the next time.
Yes.
So while you're over-delivering, the next time they will be expecting that.
Exactly right. But you've delivered the well. You're right, though. You've made a really good point about consistency. Going back 30 years, maybe 35 years, I had hair, believe it or not. I used to go to the hairdressers once a month that my dad had used his entire life. And when I first needed a real haircut, so my auntie didn't cut it anymore with a bowl, I went to the hairdresser with my dad and they cut my hair. And I started going there every month. Then one day I'm in the middle of Brighton, I'm waiting for a meeting and I've got an hour and a half to kill and I'm thinking, I do need a haircut. But the place I normally go to was right the way over the other side of town, so I didn't have time to get there and get back. And there was a hairdresser's just there and I thought, shall I give it a try? So I did. And I went into this hairdresser's. It was empty. It was quiet. There was a lovely fella in there. He sat me down, gave me a cup of tea, he gave me biscuits. We had a good laugh. He cut my hair probably as well as I've always had it cut, no real different. At the end of it, I walked out with a bag full of hair gels and products to try. And I felt like an absolute king. And I thought, that's it. I don't get that at the old place. I'm going there every time. The next time I walked in there, a month later, it was busy. He didn't recognise me. I didn't get a cup of tea. I didn't get biscuits. I didn't get products. Got exactly the same haircut and I walked out disappointed because he'd set that expectation. Good customer service is customer expectation plus 5%. But if you don't deliver it consistently or you can't deliver it consistently, don't do it at all because you're going to do yourself more harm than good.